Hey guys, welcome back to free blogging course. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about the benefits of starting a blog. Whenever someone thinks of starting a blog, they think only one benefit, make money through blogging. But in this video, we will discuss different benefits apart from money you will get through blogging. So if you are interested, keep watching. Hello friends, I am Muqtadir Ahmed Khan, trainer, speaker and consultant, and you are watching Digital Bhaijan. So let's get started. So I have divided this video into 4 sections for 4 different audience. One is job seekers, one is freelancers, businessmen and personal branding. So before jumping into those 4 sections and 4 categories, let's see what are the learnings you will get while you start your blog. Whenever someone starts a blog, they need to purchase a domain and hosting. So the first thing, you get a knowledge of different types of domain, all the hosting, different types of hosting, what best suits for your blog. You get a knowledge of domain and hosting. The next thing, they will move to different blogging platform. There are different free and paid blogging platforms available. They got a knowledge of different blogging platforms. After purchasing a domain and hosting, you need to design your website. So you get a knowledge of domain, hosting and a designing skills. You learn about website designing without coding. You learn about WordPress and different platforms available for blogging. After designing your website, you learn about content writing. Without content writing, you are not going to become a blogger. Apart from these, you acquire a knowledge from multiple fields to promote your blog, like search engine optimization, social media marketing, email marketing, data analytics, keyword research, and all the other techniques. So now let's move into our 4 categories. Let's discuss first, what if you want to do a job in digital marketing field? So let's discuss this. Let's suppose you wanted to make a career in digital marketing field and want to acquire a job in digital marketing field. Let's discuss 2 scenarios, 2 different scenarios. You will get a clear vision. So here's a scenario 1. There is one company who is hiring for digital marketer and they have only one vacancy, and for that one vacancy there is 10 candidates available. Out of those 10 candidates, there are few experienced one and few are freshers. So whom the company will select? The obvious answer is experienced one. But let's change the scenario a little bit. Again, the same company, one vacancy, 10 candidates. Few are experienced, few are fresher, and there is you who started your own blog and attracts at least 500 visitors or 1000 visitors a month on your blog. And it is pretty simple to attract 500 visitors in a month. Even if you don't have a knowledge of how to promote your blog, you can generate these 500 people, 500 visitors with the help of social media too. So in this case, the chances of getting you selected is increased by 70 to 80%, because most of the company prefer a knowledgeable person who has a knowledge of multiple fields like email marketing, social media marketing, designing and all the other stuff. So if you want to increase your chances of getting selected in a job, so you need to start your blog right now. Now let's see, what if you wanted to start a freelancing career? Whenever you start your blog, you get multiple opportunities of freelancing like content writing, graphic designing, web designing, social media marketing and all the other stuff which you have learned while you start your blog. Be practical, and let's again take 2 different scenarios. Let's suppose you are a content writer, graphic designer, web designer, architecture, photographer, or may belongs to any other field, and you wanted to start your freelancing career. But there is 2 questions: how people will find you and why people will select you as a freelancer. There is no way that people will find you as a freelancer if you just announce your freelancing career with your friends. So you need to explore yourself, you need to promote yourself. So let's take second scenario. Let's suppose you wanted to start a freelancing and you started a blog. In that blog, you share your experiences, your projects and your failure, your success and your personal information too. At start, this blog is getting only few people. Now, think as a person who wanted to hire a freelancer. What they will do? They will search on Google and your blog came, they read your blog and they feel connected with you. Whenever someone reads a blog, they wanted to know more about author, who is writing this article, who is behind that particular blog. And it builds strong authority in people's mind. So when these people read your blog, they try to contact you, and here you generate a lead, a qualified and interested lead for your freelancing career. You will also get exposure from other states, other countries if you are starting a blog. As a freelancer, you can also register into different freelancing websites like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, and different websites. Let's suppose you have started a blog and you are not getting that much traction in freelancing. You again switch to a job career by showcasing your blog as a resume. Because you have results to show, no company will reject you, and chances of you getting selected are really high. Now let's move into our third category. What if you wanted to start your business? So let's suppose you're a freelancer, you started a blog and you don't want to continue with freelancing. So what you can do is you can convert that blog into a website, a business website. You already have a small amount of audience with you, and these audience will help you grow your business at initial level. Now what if you wanted to start business from scratch? There is two scenario. In scenario one, you want your own online presence. So what you will do, you will definitely go to some agency or hire a freelancer for making a website. So you build a static website by paying them. So you have an online presence. You think you have an online presence, but the Google will rank your static website on their first page? Never. Google algorithm is really strict and they want an updated website to rank on first page. So your static website is not going to rank on Google's first page. So you need to start a blog. So let's take second scenario where you build a website by paying a freelancer or by learning yourself. And whenever you start some business, I'm assuming that you have a knowledge of that business, correct? You start your website and you put only one section, that is blog section, in that website. You will be sharing all your personal experiences and all the projects you get, all the experience you get, and all the failures you get during your journey. So people love to read about these. And whenever people read about this, you build an authority in people's mind. And people start recognizing you as a brand. And guess what? Google also promote your website if you have a blog. You will get almost 60% more traffic than a static website. So basically you get more conversion for your business. If you want to know difference between a static and a blog website, click on I button. You will get a complete knowledge there. So let's now move into our fourth category, that is personal branding. Personal branding is a hot topic now. People always wanted to connect with people, not with the company. So that's why this personal branding topic are in trend right now. You see many of the influencers today, that's because they have started their blog. They share their knowledge, experiences, learnings, failures with people, and people love to connect with those influencers. And now they are earning in millions. So if you want to be an authority in your field, you need to start your blogging. Whatever may be the field, I'm not only talking about a digital marketing field, but all the other field. If you want to be an authority in your field, whether it is photography, whether it is architecture, whether it is mechanical, whether it is any other field, you need to start your blog to become an authority, to become a personal brand in your field. So let's see what are the benefits. So whenever you start a blog, more and more people will get to know about you. And whenever you have an audience which reads your blog, company will approach you for different sponsorship opportunities. Whenever you build an authority, a strong authority, you get different speaking opportunities in different events. People invite you in their events and you are able to make a strong network with the help of those events. And you will get paid for that. Isn't it amazing? Apart from that, you may conduct your own workshop, arrange your own events, become a guest lecturer in different colleges and universities, and there are other opportunities too. Now there is one more opportunity through which you can earn in millions. You can create your own digital product and sell them. And if you don't want to create your own digital product, you can be an affiliate for some other products. In affiliate marketing, you don't need to create your own product. Just sell others' product and earn a commission in millions. So in personal branding, you yourself as a brand. Now let's take a worst case scenario. You started a blog, you fails drastically. You haven't built any audience, you didn't get a job, you didn't get a client from freelancing. Now you will be thinking that you lose everything right from your effort, your time, your money and everything. No. Maybe you lose these things, but there is one thing that you acquire, a knowledge and a skill. Me myself failed in blogging. I have started my first blog in 2016 and within a month it fails. But whatever I learned from starting that blog is still helping me grow my career. So even if you fail, you acquire some knowledge and you acquire some skills, right? You can start your journey again with all the learnings you have, and this time with more knowledge. So there is no loss in blogging. You either succeed or you learn something. And that's the beauty of digital marketing and blogging. So here's a task for today's website. Find more opportunities in blogging and post it on our community section so that more people will connect with you and you build a strong network. So if you get some value from this video, do like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe because I am going to put more courses, more free courses in this channel. If you haven't watched our previous video, click here. And if you want a complete playlist, click here. So that's it for today. We will meet in the next video. Till then, stay motivated.